Hey beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Josie, and today we are doing an acrylic yarn jumbo knotless twist. So here are the supplies we'll be using for this hairstyle. First is the acrylic yarn. I'll be using 2 packs of these. It comes in 12 balls per pack, so 24 balls in total. Also, I'll be using these 2 combs for sectioning and parting, and some gel to slick and mold my roots, and also some rubber bands since I'll be pre-parting. So a ball of this yarn is 40 grams and 2016 inches. I'll be cutting mine to 20 inches. You can go ahead and cut yours to your desired length, depending on how short or long you want your braids to be. So these yarns are really small compared to others. So I'll be using 1 ball for 1 braid. I tried looking for this particular brand on Amazon, but I think they are not available there. But there were other brands too. So I'll be leaving them in the description and also indicating the number you need to achieve this particular look. So once you have this, we just go ahead and cut one end of it, and also be careful, it easily tangles. Now moving on to sectioning and parting. Since this jumbo braids, our sections are going to be much bigger. So I did 4 rows in total and 24 braids. The bottom row was 3, the next was 7, the next was 8, and the last was 3 on both sides. Also, I don't know what's happening today, but this pattern section was really stressing me out and I was not ready to have any of it. So I did only the bottom row on camera and did the rest off camera. I'm really sorry about that. So to begin my braids, I make sure that section is really detangled and then go ahead and mold or slick my roots with some gel. I'll then divide that section into 3. So the base of my twist is basically a knotless braid. I do 3 or 4 braids with my natural hair before I begin to feed in the yarn. And with the feeding, I start with 3 strands of the acrylic yarn and then increases it by 1 with subsequent feedings. Which means if the first one is 3, the next will be 4, the one after that will be 5. It will be in that order. I hope you get me. So I'll continue to braid until the base is locked in or secured enough. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to divide the middle section into 2 and add it to the other 2 sections. And then begin to rope twist. So from this point on, I'll continue to rope twist and feed in the yarn till I'm satisfied with the size. Then I stop the feeding. So I'm done with this one and that's how it's looking. I'll move to finish the rest and I'll be back to show you when I'm all done. Tell you what's funny. What's funny is the way they say they love me. Look, only for joy like I'm money. Them sell out to the say they say they only. No, I know that they fucked you my experiences. That this day and age,
give and take, they are for themselves. And you know that's sad, it's sad you fuck. Look, the reason not there, them pussy will they never give a fuck. It coulda be a friend or your own family. Now it would be me believe to not see that any one of them really could be having you to see. But it's cool, cause I'm learning from the truth. So let me tell you I'm cool, cause when I'm in my zone, leave me the fuck alone. Let me get mine, it's only God's timing. Look, I say everybody want to be the best, everybody running a contest. And it's cool, tell you some get that, but they never go for the fucking headshot. Tell me some get shot, feeling like a depth shot. Tell you say well, Lord, really just for know. Say you want a family, we really sell you out, only for stop you from your next stop. Yo, Jano, look, 2023, yeah, you teach me like a mad class. Tell you how you see me. You take away the ones that tell you where they deceive me. I left me with the lessons really that will keep me. So moving forward, I never could be sleepy. My up that third eye looking like it's 3D. Fuck around and believe me, I see you easy. So try to sneak, I got home to you like a CC. But it's cool, cause I'm learning from the truth. So let me tell you I'm cool, cause when I'm in my zone, baby, the fuck alone. Let me get mine, it's only God's timing. Now I'ma tell you I'll be cool, cause I'm learning from the truth. So let me tell you I'm cool, cause when I'm in my zone, baby, the fuck alone. Let me get mine, it's only God's timing. Listen, I'm on, yeah, look, I know say everything will be okay. Tell my mama that I'll make a way. Look, know that I won't get defeated, I'm gonna rise to the fucking occasion. Know that I won't be a slave, cause I'll go harder, make myself prouder. Look, cause I've been battling on road, pussy them I pray my fall. So just watch me claim it all, cause it's cool now that I'm learning from the truth. So I'ma tell you I'm cool, cause when I'm in my zone, leave the fuck alone. Let me get mine, it's only good timing. But it's cool, yeah, cause I'm learning from the truth. So let me tell you I'm cool, cause when I'm in my zone, leave me the fuck alone. Let me get mine, it's only God's timing. It's only God's, it's only God's, it's only God's, it's only God's timing. It's only God's timing. I'm cool, cause when I'm in my zone, leave me the fuck alone. Let me get mine, it's only God's timing. Look, I say everybody want to be the best, everybody running a contest. And it's cool, tell you some get that, but they never go for the fucking headshot. Tell me some get shot, feeling like a depth shot. Tell you say well.
So I'm done with all 24 braids and that's how it's looking. The next thing I'm going to do is to trim these flyaways or yarns popping out. So taking out my scissors, I'll carefully trim them, making sure I don't cut through my twist.
Left me with the lessons really that will keep me. So moving forward, I never could be sleepy. My up that third eye looking like it's 3D. Fuck around and believe me, I see you.
So after trimming, I go in with my lighter to cinch the ends and also the flyaways I couldn't get with the scissors. Actually, this gives it a better finished look in my opinion.
So let me tell you I'm cool, cause when I'm in my zone, leave me the fuck alone. Let me get mine, it's only God's timing. Now I'ma tell you.
So this is how it's looking after trimming and cinching. I'll repeat for the rest of the twist and I'll be back to show you the finished look.
So let me tell you I'm cool, cause when I'm in my zone, everything will be okay. Tell my mama that I'll make a way. Know that I won't get defeated, I'm on rise to the fucking occasion. Know that I won't be a slave.
Hey yo, so this is the final look. The yarn really outdid itself. It turned out looking so cute. So I'll be leaving links in the description. Be sure to check it out. Also, let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.